guys, how are you? I'm Leah here, and today I want to talk about how much money can you make as a trader. Yeah, that's a really difficult question. I have friends reaching out to me on social media and asking me, okay, if I start trading, how much money can I make? It honestly, impossible to answer because you can make anywhere from losing all of your money up to thousands and hundred thousands and ten thousands of dollars. You know, it's really hard. And every trader is different. There's not even a magic formula. It's not like this overall market where you have every year a certain income and return and then you average it and you can say, okay, SPY index in last 20 years or 30 would give us on average 10%. It doesn't work that way. It's so extremely unique to each trader that I really cannot answer this question. I just want to show you my portfolio, how it works with me. I mean, look at that. Minus $1,170 on one day, okay? Plus 1.8K, okay? It's truly like all over the place. What is the more important thing, in my opinion, is to not lose a lot. I have a $1,000 and now $1,500 loss. I used to have 500 when I started trading. At some point when I was struggling, I lowered it to 250. And I said, okay, if I lose on 2 trades a day, I'm done. So that's what's more important for you, to not lose, because if you lose a lot, you won't be able to recover. So here, what was I doing? You see, let's not pay attention to open trades and calls, which I have all together here, but let's look here. I lost 530 here, 683 there, okay? So that was somewhere around my stop loss being 500. Probably didn't have hard stop loss, so it went to 680, but it's still in the range. I'm okay with that, you know, if it's not exactly. You also, if you have a stop loss, you might not get the fill. It might fill you a little bit different price. So be ready that it's going to be plus minus something. In a worst case, the stop loss just doesn't kick in at all. But let's not go there. It usually works. It's very rare it doesn't. But again, you see 1,000 here, $10 a day. You know, what was happening? You know, I was just selling some puts here, you know. So it's really hard to say. In June, the same thing, you know. Some days I make $2,000, some days I lose 800. I'm very happy with my you know, with being consistent, because for year 21 looked, oh, I lost $5,000 in one day, I made 500 another day. When you see those numbers, that's when it's bad. That's when it's time to sit down and really think about what you are doing as a trader, because having bigger losses than wins, it's going to cost you a lot at the end and you will not succeed. You want to have tiny losses and huge profits. The win rate doesn't even matter. Like my win rate here is, you know, 68%, which is pretty good. I try to take high probability trades, but it's more important to really stick with the winning trade for longer, make more money, and cut your losses fast. Have the stop loss, stick to it, don't go over it. But if you see that the market suddenly start tanking because of bad news, you might want to get out of some positions. Just check the price action. And how do you learn price action? Only with practice. There is nothing else I can recommend you, is to observe the market for hours and hours and learn how to read the price action. When it comes to candles, movement, tape, all of it, you need to understand those things. And always when you trade, you have to look at the overall market. Have the VIX opened. If VIX starts changing, you might expect that the stocks will have more fear. They're going to start dumping. You have to look at SPX or SPY. I look at SPY. Some people there are heavily in tech. Look at the QQQ. They all hang together. It's not always 100% rule, but most likely you will have a movement in your single stock if you see that the overall market is changing because of news. It's very dynamic. And practice, guys. That's the only thing I can really recommend. I've been trading for 3.5 years now, and I probably skipped 2-3 days so far. I'm going to probably skip more this next week because I'm going on a rally. But I am really paying attention to the market. I'm observing it, I'm learning, and I'm getting better. And even if you trade for 10-20 years, you're going to still have to be flexible and change your mindset and learn. But it, like with everything, practice is everything, and don't have expectations, because that ruins everything. If you have irrational expectations, be ready, be very open-minded. I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, please comment below, reach out, ask me. I will reply to you. And thanks for watching this video. Click the like button and follow Leah the Trader. Have a good day.